Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset the camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone application. Now in here you want to tap on the settings button and then go down and tap on reset settings. Then tap on reset and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now ideally you want to reset your camera settings if the camera is not working correctly, or if it's some features has been disabled. So for example, if you want to go in here and setting features like auto FPS or something that has been disabled and you cannot get it to work, then you might want to try to reset the camera settings. Or if the camera is not focusing correctly, you can also try to go in here and reset the settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.